Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to use Kanban and some of the agile methodologies that can help effectively manage a business litigation case. So in this board, I have a few columns that make sense for my firm's business litigation process, but you can customize the board template as you prefer. Okay, so let's walk you through these columns here. We'll start with the column Initial Consultation. So every new case I have in my firm for business litigation will begin here in this phase. And I know that there is a proper checklist of the tasks associated with the welcome process I have here for my initial consultation. That checklist is also attached to this card, which helps me stay organized. When I have everything set up here at the beginning, we can then move forward to the document gathering phase of the workflow. This is when I grab all the necessary documents from the clients and I can get a better understanding of the case. When all these documents are filled out and I have everything I need to move forward, we move to the next phase, case assessment. For the case assessment, this phase allows my team to have a better understanding of the case. This is done by working together with the rest of the legal team that's assigned to this case to see if we need more information or documents or what else is needed here. So we can go through all the phases here with this in mind, but it's important to remember that each column here represents a big and important phase in the timeline of my business litigation matter. Something else to note that is helpful here is that some of this card organization can be made easy with automation. I can automate the movement of cards based on specific tasks being completed, a specific length of time, and so on. That really prevents anything from falling through the cracks, which keeps matters on track and helps me focus on providing client-oriented service. So, for example, I can have a new matter here at the documents gathering phase, and I can automatically assign tasks that I know are involved with this stage of the case for my paralegals, case managers, assistants, or whomever else is needed. And I could also set up an automation to send emails to my clients. This email automation is very customizable, so I can focus on delivering key updates to clients. That could look like helping them to understand what phase their case is in right now or what to expect going forward. I can also automatically move the cards through my workflow. So for example, if I have a matter in case assessment and the responsible attorney completes the activities associated with the phase, I can have this card move to the next column with legal boards instead of manually moving it. So that's just a few ideas about how you can use legal boards for a business litigation case. We have this board saved in the board gallery so you can customize it to your firm. You can download the board template and then populate it with your firm's specific cases or processes. I hope this helps.